Here is how to speed up the playback so you can speed up your editing in ScreenFlow 10. You've already edited your video in ScreenFlow 10, but maybe you just want to go through the timeline one more time at a faster pace to make sure you didn't miss anything. You probably already used the spacebar to playback and pause your playback. Well, you can also use the J, K, and L keys. J is going to play back in reverse, K is going to stop or pause the playback, and L is going to play forward. So I'll tap L one time, this will be normal speed. I'll make this a brighter color, K to stop. Now I'm going to tap the letter L 2 times, so LL. We can see the bounding box is going around each layer. K to pause, now I'll tap L 3 times. K to pause. Typically, I tap the letter L 2 times to get to my timeline faster, and my name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.